Mutton dough pyaza. Got 1 kilo of mutton with bone, and this is 1 cup yogurt, about 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of oil, about 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and make a paste of this mixture, and then add it to the mutton and marinate it for about 20 minutes. Marinated mutton. In a deep vessel, add 4 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. When it's hot, add 2 large finely chopped onions. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix well and fry for about 7 minutes. Add ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Dry roast about 10 cloves, 1 piece of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed, and about 3-4 black cardamom, and then grind it in a dry mixer and keep it aside. Add the marinated meat and high heat. Fry it. Fry it for about 7-8 minutes. Add the ground spice powder, one tablespoon of jeera powder, cumin seed powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Mix it well and let it cook for another 3-4 minutes. Fry for some more time till the oil separates, and then we'll add water. The oil has come out now, so add hot water, about 2 cups hot water. This is of the marinade, and then mix it and let it cook on slow fire for about half an hour to 45 minutes. Cover it. Caramelizing onions. Now 2 onions, large onions sliced, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it, and on slow flame I'm going to fry the onions in the pan. Cook for 15-20 minutes on slow flame. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Mix and let it fry on slow flame. Add this after 1 hour. Add 3 green chilies sliced, juice of 1 lemon, and the caramelized onion. Mix it well and close it and cook on slow flame for further 5 minutes. Check for salt and then garnish with the ginger, sliced ginger, julienne, and coriander leaves. That's it, mutton dough pyaza.